Are you struggling to decide between the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, Asus Zephyrus G16, or the MacBook Pro? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the details to answer all your burning questions. Want to know which laptop offers the best performance for gaming, productivity, or content creation? Curious about their unique features, strengths, and potential drawbacks? Or perhaps you're wondering which one is the best value for your hard-earned cash? Stick around, because we're about to unravel the mysteries and provide you with the ultimate guide to making the right choice. Get ready to pick smart and find your perfect match among these top contenders. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra stands out for its premium design, featuring an aluminum chassis elegantly colored in moonstone gray. This sophisticated exterior not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to its durability and sturdiness. Beneath this sleek surface, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra houses a formidable combination of hardware components. It is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, delivering exceptional processing power for demanding tasks such as content creation, gaming, and multitasking. The inclusion of the NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card further elevates its performance, ensuring smooth and immersive gaming experiences as well as efficient video editing and rendering. The device boasts a stunning 16-inch dynamic AMOLED touch display, offering a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels. This high-resolution screen delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details, making it ideal for viewing multimedia content, editing photos and videos, and working on creative projects. The touchscreen functionality adds versatility to user interactions, allowing for intuitive navigation and precise input. In terms of memory and storage, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra offers ample resources to meet the demands of modern computing tasks. Users can choose between configurations with 16 GB or 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring smooth performance and efficient multitasking. Additionally, the device is equipped with a spacious 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, providing fast storage access and ample space for storing files, applications, and multimedia content. Audio quality is another highlight of the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, thanks to its AKG quad speakers enhanced by Dolby Atmos technology. These speakers deliver rich, immersive sound with clear vocals and deep bass, enhancing the overall multimedia experience for users. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra offers a comprehensive selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, and a micro SD card slot. This versatile array of ports enables users to connect a wide range of peripherals and accessories, facilitating seamless productivity and entertainment experiences. Security features are also prioritized in the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, with features such as TPM and a fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button. These features help safeguard sensitive data and ensure secure access to the device, providing users with peace of mind. The Asus Zephyrus G16, released in 2024, represents a significant leap forward in gaming laptop technology, particularly in terms of battery life and performance. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra processor, which boasts impressive AI capabilities and energy efficiency, the Zephyrus G16 offers exceptional computing power while minimizing energy consumption. This innovation addresses a long-standing issue with gaming laptops, where powerful specs often come at the cost of poor battery life. Design-wise, the Zephyrus G16 distinguishes itself with its sleek and understated aesthetic. Constructed from machined aluminum, the chassis exudes durability and quality craftsmanship. The inclusion of Asus's signature/lighting design adds a touch of flair without being overly flashy. The laptop also impresses with its comprehensive array of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a full-size SD card reader, ensuring versatile connectivity options for users. The keyboard and trackpad of the Zephyrus G16 are particularly noteworthy, providing a comfortable and responsive typing experience. With a key travel distance of 1.7mm, the keyboard offers tactile feedback that is ideal for both gaming and productivity tasks. The inclusion of dedicated macro keys and customizable LED backlighting further enhances usability and customization options. The trackpad is smooth and accurate, facilitating effortless navigation through the Windows interface. In terms of performance, the Zephyrus G16 excels in both gaming and content creation tasks. Equipped with an RTX 4070 GPU and 16 GB of RAM, the laptop delivers smooth and immersive gaming experiences even at high graphics settings. Creative professionals will also appreciate the Pantone certified OLED display, which offers stunning visuals with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and a refresh rate of 240 Hz. Additionally, the inclusion of Asus's Armoury Crate app allows users to optimize hardware parameters and performance settings to suit their specific needs. Battery life is another area where the Zephyrus G16 shines, surpassing expectations for a gaming laptop. While heavy gaming sessions may drain the battery more quickly, the laptop offers impressive longevity for general usage and productivity tasks. The inclusion of energy-saving features and efficient hardware components contribute to extended battery life, making the Zephyrus G16 suitable for users who require a reliable and portable gaming solution. The M3 Max 16-inch MacBook Pro boasting the cutting-edge M3 Max processor. This iteration showcases substantial enhancements over its forerunner, epitomizing Apple's commitment to performance and innovation. Featuring a 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, it offers a visually stunning experience with variable refresh rates up to 120 Hz, coupled with a significant boost in brightness to 800 nits. Under the hood, it packs a punch with configurations offering up to 128 GB of memory and a potent 40-core GPU, promising seamless multitasking and graphics-intensive tasks. In terms of connectivity, the M3 Max MacBook Pro maintains familiarity with its port selection, including MagSafe 3 Thunderbolt ports, an SDXC card reader, and an HDMI port, ensuring versatility in connectivity options for users. Furthermore, its adoption of Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E underscores Apple's commitment to staying at the forefront of wireless technology. One notable aspect of the M3 Max MacBook Pro is its sleek space black color option, which not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also proves resilient to wear, particularly around high contact areas like the palm rests. This attention to detail extends to its performance, where the M3 Max processor facilitates near-instant app launches and smooth operation even under demanding workloads, such as video editing and multitasking with dozens of browser tabs open. However, despite its stellar performance and refined design, the M3 Max MacBook Pro is not without its drawbacks. The pricing of memory upgrades remains steep, reflecting Apple's premium pricing strategy. Additionally, while the space black color option exudes elegance, some users may find it slightly lacking in darkness compared to their expectations. After comparing the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, Asus Zephyrus G16, and MacBook Pro, the clear winner emerges as the Asus Zephyrus G16. With its powerful Intel Core Ultra processor, exceptional performance, sleek design, and impressive display, the Zephyrus G16 offers the best combination of features for both gaming and productivity tasks. While the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Ultra and MacBook Pro are formidable contenders, the Zephyrus G16 stands out as the top choice for users seeking unparalleled performance and versatility in a laptop.